Well. Good afternoon, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Now, for those of you who have subscribed to this channel, you know that I don't hate Doge, but I have been giving Doge a bad name and calling it a crap coin for years. And I have also stated the reasons why I believe that Doge is just not worth being called a cryptocurrency. Because if it doesn't have a platform and an architecture for you to build on top of, what good is it? Okay? So what I want to show you is some news that I just came across. This article by Brendan Rierick at Investor Place is just got my head spinning. Are Dogecoin smart contracts coming? 9 things for Doge investors to know. This is scary because if you can write smart contracts with Doge, then everything that I said that you couldn't do with Doge, you're about to be able to do, which would make it a viable currency. Let's dig in and put our seatbelts on. Dogecoin looks to bring smart contracts to its platform, opening the floodgates for DeFi possibilities. Oh, geez. Dogecoin is looking at a chance to cement itself as a coin with legitimate utility. This is what it didn't have, folks. Currently relegated to its meme status, much of the bearish talk on Doge is that it is simply a novelty, a plaything. But with the prospect of Dogecoin smart contracts becoming a reality, Doge could transcend that chatter. Smart contracts are a huge part of blockchain now, and if you want to be a serious player as a standalone chain, you better offer some sort of smart contract feature. This is what I've been talking about. With that said, let's take a look into smart contracts, Doge, and what the news means for investors. Dogecoin smart contracts, what to know now. Smart contracts are contracts between parties that are handled and executed by a computerized protocol. People use smart contracts for a number of reasons. Smart contracts can perform transactions, act as a key for cryptographic data, serve as a framework for developing centralized apps. Okay? Many different blockchain providers feature smart contracts on their chains. Ethereum, Cardano, Internet Computer, so forth. They left off Clay TN and Tezos. There are others. News of Dogecoin developing smart contracts is out, courtesy of YouTuber Matt Wallace via his Final Stand channel. Wallace says he got his news from the Dogecoin developers. Wallace discusses in his report that benefits of smart contracts for cryptocurrency, citing decentralized finance as a huge reason. Smart contracts on Dogechain would allow users to build passive income while cutting out the middleman of banks. This means the ability to do things like fix rates without central authority and withdraw funds whilst accruing interest. Wallace also cites the inclusion of smart contracts as notable because through DeFi smart contracts, users can cut banks off from transaction fees, common with credit cards. These are all things that I have been preaching about with the Ethereum blockchain. All in all, the news has huge implications for Doge price with a very functional and exciting utility. It's not a bold prediction to assume that the coin's price will take off on a bull run. As such, it's important to heed the warning to tread lightly with DeFi applications. The SEC is taking pains to regulate crypto and crypto exchanges. Unfortunately, for the asset class, any ground the committee gains in this effort brings investors closer to the extinction of DeFi. I don't really agree with that. Okay, so what am I talking about here? So we've got somebody here, this YouTuber, Matt Wallace. Thank you, Matt, for your insight, and thank you for breaking the news. Okay, if this comes to fruition, imagine all the things you could do with Ethereum you'd be able to do with Dogecoin. We would no longer be able to say that Dogecoin is a crap coin. If they were to do this with Shiba Inu, it would mean that it's not a crap coin. So we'll just have to see. Maybe it's not such a bad idea to have a little bit of crypto in your portfolio. Not investment advice, but folks, if this is true, if this is not just hype, if Dogecoin has an API, oh my goodness. If you've enjoyed this video, throw up the likes, throw up the shares, get your Doge, and I'll catch you on the next one.